evolution or the molecular evolution of the life. In these total process or in this total theory, we get together the knowledge of chemistry. So by the interaction of the chemical molecules, there is a formation of the cell in that prebiotic soup or in that hot dilute soup. So the biological evolution. The first cell, all the primitive cells were marine. So if anybody asks me a question where the life is originated, the life is originated in water. Because the first cell which is formed, that cell is formed in the marine water or in the water, and they are heterotrophic in nature. They obtain their food from the surrounding areas. So the first cell is heterotrophic. You know what is heterotrophic and heterotrophic. The organism who cannot prepare their own food material, they are called as heterotrophic, like us. Organisms. That means animals. Heterotrophic, that means the plants who can prepare their own food material by using the sunlight and the carbon dioxide and water. So they are considered as the heterotrophic. But the first cell which is formed in that water, that cell is heterotrophic in nature. That means on this earth, firstly, the animals are formed. Okay. With the gradual increases in the number of the heterotrophs, they gradually consume the organic nutrients which cause a decline in the natural sources of food in the ocean and increases in the carbon dioxide due to the fermentation. Now, why the process of fermentation is takes place? When the number of cells increases in that marine condition or in that water, they consume more food material. So there is a continuously increasing in the number of cells, but the food material goes on declining or decreases. So as there is a more consumption, there is a more fermentation and carbon dioxide is continuously liberated. Fermentation takes place due to the absence of oxygen. Because till now, the earth atmosphere is reducing, not oxidizing. Till now, the oxygen is not present there. Okay, so the fermentation is carried out here. As the fermentation carried out, there is a increases in the carbon dioxide content in that water or in that atmosphere, and this is one of the favorable conditions for the process of mutation. And this mutation develops chromophores in few cells. Chromophores works as chloroplast. So few cells acquire or develop by the process of mutation. They develop chromophores inside their cell-like structure inside their cell, and these chromophores having the ability to trap the light and convert it into the chemical energy. That means from the heterotrophic cell, there is a formation of the autotrophic cells. Heterotrophic to autotrophic. But where? That water. That means the first organism who originated on the earth, that is the animal, and from the animal cells, there is a formation of the plant cell. We cannot clearly say that. But the first type of cell which is formed, that is the heterotrophic cell, and from the heterotrophic cell, there is a formation of the autotrophic cell. This event helps in the transformation of the heterotrophs to autotrophs due to the release of oxygen. Now, when the autotrophic cells are formed, autotrophic cells mainly trap the sunlight, they use the carbon dioxide, and they prepare their own food material. That is the process of photosynthesis, and we know that when the photosynthesis takes place, then the oxygen is liberated. So now the free oxygen is available in the atmosphere of the earth. So who gives us oxygen? That is the trees and the plants. Because oxygen is always comes from that process of the photosynthesis. So due to the release of oxygen as a byproduct of the photosynthesis, the primitive reducing atmosphere was slowly and gradually converted into the oxidizing atmosphere. Now, on on the earth, the atmosphere is oxidizing and not reducing. Okay, so this is the condition, or in this condition we cannot assemble these chemical molecules together to form new life. So according to Hadley, the life cannot be originated in the present condition because the present atmosphere of the earth is oxidizing and not reducing. So by this method, the first life is originated on the earth. So this is most important thing. This theory is a vital proof. This theory is proved on the scientific methods. So the Operian and Haldane theory is the most accepted theory worldwide, and this theory clear-cut gives answer of our question how the life is originated. So life is originated in water by the assembly of the chemical molecules. Chemical molecules who are non-living, but when they comes together, they interact with each other, then by these non-living chemical substances, from simple to complex, and complex substances again interact with each other, and by their interaction there is the formation of the protobionts. From the protobionts there is the formation of pre-cell. From the pre-cell there is the formation of cell. The first cell is the heterotropic, and then the heterotropic cells are formed, and as the heterotropic cells are formed, then there is the presence of oxygen in the atmosphere, and the atmosphere gets changed from reducing to oxidizing. The Operian and Haldane theory is mainly proved by Miller. Basically, Miller is an astronaut. He is an astronaut who studied in the University of Chicago. And his mentor, that is the teacher, is an Urey. He is a biochemist. He is a Nobel laureate. Okay. They read the theory of Operian and Haldane, and they think that we can simulate the primitive atmosphere of the earth or the prebiotic conditions of the earth in the laboratory. So they develop an assembly which is called as the spark discharge assembly in their laboratory. It is a very simple reaction. But this reaction gives, or this experiment gives a vital proof to the Operian and Haldane theory. This experiment is completely based on the Operian and Haldane theory, because Operian and Haldane propose a theory. They not give any scientific or vital proof, but Urey and Miller's experiment gives a scientific proof to this theory. So in this diagram, just observe this diagram carefully, because sometimes the questions also asked on the diagram basis in the examination. So observe it clearly. So in this assembly, Urey and Miller creates the prebiotic condition of the earth. Here at the base there is the presence of the boiling water in an conical flask. That conical flask represents the oceanic condition of the prebiotic earth. So that is the boiling water there. Then there is the presence of the spark discharge apparatus at the top, which is somewhat rounded, which looks like a cat. Okay. So that is nothing but it represents the atmosphere of the earth. It represents the atmosphere. So what is present at the time on the earth? There is the presence of earth. Around the earth there is the presence of atmosphere. So the total condition is simulated here in this experiment by the Urey and Miller. So remember firstly two things. There is the presence of ocean, there is the presence of the atmosphere. We know that the primitive atmosphere of earth is reducing and not oxidizing. In the primitive atmosphere, there is the presence of various gases like the methane, then hydrogen, and then there is the presence of nitrogen. Okay. So all these gases are without entering the oxygen. If the oxygen enters, then the atmosphere becomes oxidizing. Okay, so firstly this total assembly get vacuumated, all the air is removed, and then only three gases, that is methane, then hydrogen, and then ammonia in 1:2, 2:2 ratio are passed in that spark discharge apparatus. Okay, without allowing the oxygen. Okay. Then there is the presence of the water vapors. So we know that the water which is present on the earth, that water is very hot. At the time the temperature of earth is about 800 degrees centigrade, so the water is continuously boiling. Water actually boils at 100 degrees centigrade, so there is a presence of the boiling water, and when the water boils there is a formation of the water vapors, and so the water vapors also enters with the help of that tube in that spark discharge apparatus. Now in that spark discharge apparatus there is a presence of methane, there is a presence of ammonia, there is a presence of hydrogen, there is a presence of water vapors also. But according to the operine and Halliday theory, there is a presence of free energy which stimulates the rate of reaction. Now the free energy is present in the form of lightning, it is present in the form of volcanic eruption, it is present in the form of cosmic rays, it is present in the form of earthquakes, it is present in the form of ultraviolet rays. So they use the tungsten electrodes to simulate the effect of lightning in the primitive atmosphere of the earth. So that is called as the spark discharge. It discharges the spark. Okay. And the current of 75,000 volt is passed there in that spark discharge apparatus. So there is a continuously sparking and lightning, and this lightning simulate the effect of lightning in the prebiotic atmosphere of the earth. And when there is a continuously lightning, this is the free source of energy. Due to that free source of energy, all these gases get intermixed with each other. Water vapor, methane, ammonia, hydrogen, they get intermixed with each other. We know that from these substances or from these gases, there is a formation of the simple organic substance. And when these gases mix together with the help of that tube, they comes in the downward direction. But when these all gases are passing in the downward direction, that glass tube is covered by the condenser. Condenser gives an cooling effect there. Because we know that when the atmosphere is formed, then there is a condensation, then temperature decreases, and the water drop comes on the earth, and there is a raining continuously. So that condition is simulated by that condenser. From the one end of that condenser, water goes, and from the one end the water out. Okay. And that condenser mainly may cool that tube through which the hot gases are passing in the downward direction. When the hot gases pass in the downward direction, the water vapors get condensed, and these water vapors get converted into water, and that water is collected into that trap. There is a presence of that trap at the below. So from that trap, they collect sample of the water and observe this water for the presence of simple organic compounds. They found that in that water there is a formation of the amino acids. When the amino acids are formed, how they form? Amino acids are formed by the combination of all these gases who react with each other, and we know that from the amino acid there is a formation of protein. That means from the simple substances there is a formation of complex substances. So this is a vital proof of this theory, that is Urey and Miller's experiment. Basically this total experiment is carried out by Miller, but Urey was his mentor, so he gave name, that is Urey and Miller's experiment. Okay.